The objective of Freedom March is to restore America. Individuals, groups, and businesses are needed to join the collective effort represented by Freedom March. Common sense action is needed to inspire patriots everywhere to assist in the restoration of America. We have specific objectives. There's 5. The first one is to inform voters with accurate, full disclosure information regarding all levels of government activity. Our government needs supervision, and that's what we're going to do, is supervise them. We'll also educate. We'll educate voters to the direct personal impact government policies have on all individuals. Many people don't realize what government does impacts all of us directly. We'll show that more clearly. We'll also motivate. We'll inspire individuals to take productive personal action just like we do. We'll also organize them. We'll organize individuals into effective action teams and units. We'll also mobilize. We'll target and focus collective efforts into effective action. Now, our prime objective is to restore America. First step is to recover our economy. Item 2 is productively influence national policy. Item 3 is stop socialism, radical Islam, and any ideology inconsistent with the true spirit of America. If it's not American, it's not us. We'll end government fraud, corruption, and waste. It's gone on far too long. We'll provide media accuracy and full disclosure information so everyone has accurate information in which to base their decisions. We'll expose weak, corrupt politicians so that patriots may remove them via elections. That's the American way. And we'll communicate to politicians that patriots employ them. And last but not least, we shall preserve our Constitution.